Ever wondered why sweet potatoes are the darling of every Thanksgiving table? Well, it's high time we dig up the truth. These earthy delights are more than just a delightful side dish. They're a gastronomic sensation across the globe, gracing everything from savory stews to sweet desserts. But the allure of sweet potatoes isn't merely about their mouth-watering taste. Oh no, there's much more to this humble tuber. In fact, the sweet potato is a clandestine hero in the realm of nutrition, packed full of health benefits that are just waiting to be revealed. And that's what we're here for today, to unearth the 20 marvelous health benefits hidden beneath the sweet potato's vibrant skin. Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the sweet secrets of this humble tuber. You might be surprised to know that sweet potatoes aren't just a treat for your taste buds, but also a nutrient powerhouse. Let's take a closer look at what makes these humble tubers so fantastic. Sweet potatoes are brimming with vitamins A and C. Vitamin A is a crucial nutrient for maintaining good vision and supporting immune function. It's like your body's own superhero swooping in to save the day from harmful invaders. Now think about vitamin C. This isn't just your go-to buddy for fighting off a cold. It's also a key player in skin health and wound healing. So not only are you warding off sniffles with your sweet potato soup, but you're also helping keep your skin radiant and healthy. But wait, there's more. Sweet potatoes are also a significant source of potassium. You might associate potassium with bananas, but let me tell you, sweet potatoes are giving them a run for their money. This mighty mineral is essential for heart function and plays a vital role in maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance in your body. So next time you're sweating it out at the gym, consider a sweet potato smoothie for recovery. And let's not forget about fiber. Sweet potatoes are packed with it, helping you feel full and satisfied while supporting a healthy digestive system. It's like having your own personal health coach, encouraging your body to keep everything running smoothly. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Sweet potatoes are also rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is a bit like a secret agent, working undercover to support your immune system and eye health. And contrary to popular belief, sweet potatoes can actually help regulate blood sugar levels. It's like they're the cool kid at the party, keeping everything chill and balanced. So next time you munch on those sweet potato fries, remember you're not just satisfying your cravings, but also nourishing your body. If you thought sweet potatoes are just about taste and nutrition, hold on to your hats because they're also your skin and heart's best friend. Now let's talk about the radiant skin part. You see, sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in our bodies. This vitamin A plays a pivotal role in keeping our skin healthy. It helps in the production of new skin cells, which can lead to a more radiant complexion. And who doesn't want that fresh, glowing look, right? But the benefits don't end there. Sweet potatoes are also known to reduce inflammation. And in case you're wondering why that's important, let me tell you, inflammation is a major culprit behind various skin conditions like acne and psoriasis. So, by reducing inflammation, sweet potatoes can help keep these skin issues at bay. Now, let's move on to that mighty organ, the heart. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health. It aids in regulating blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of salt. And guess what? A regulated blood pressure means a lower risk of heart diseases. So in a way, sweet potatoes are like your heart's best buddy, always looking out for it. Moreover, the fiber content in sweet potatoes supports heart health too. It aids in lowering the levels of bad cholesterol in our bodies, which can otherwise build up in the arteries and increase the risk of heart diseases. So, not only do sweet potatoes make for a delicious meal, but they also keep your heart in check. And let's not forget, sweet potatoes are also a source of vitamin C, another nutrient that supports heart health. It aids in the production of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the health of our blood vessels. So with every bite of a sweet potato, you're also taking a step towards a healthier heart. Who knew that eating sweet potatoes could be your secret to glowing skin and a happy heart? Indeed, it's not just about the taste, but also about the sweet, sweet benefits that this humble vegetable brings to the table, or should we say, to our skin and heart. Ever felt a mood lift after a hearty meal of sweet potatoes? Well, it's not just in your head. Sweet potatoes are naturally rich in essential nutrients that can help regulate your blood sugar levels. When our blood sugar levels are stable, we're less likely to experience mood swings. Now, isn't that sweet? Let's delve a bit deeper. Sweet potatoes are packed with fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This prevents those sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels that can leave you feeling irritable or lethargic. Instead, sweet potatoes provide a steady release of energy, keeping your mood balanced throughout the day. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes also contain an amino acid called tryptophan. You may have heard of tryptophan as that thing in turkey that makes you sleepy after a big Thanksgiving meal. Well, sweet potatoes have it too. Tryptophan helps your brain produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that promotes feelings of well-being and happiness. It also helps you relax and can even improve your sleep. Speaking of sleep, sweet potatoes might just be your new best friend for those restless nights. They're a good source of magnesium, often referred to as the relaxation mineral. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system, preparing your body for sleep. Plus, the complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes can also help you catch those elusive zzz. They provide long-lasting energy, ensuring you don't wake up in the middle of the night feeling peckish. So the next time you're feeling low or can't sleep, you know what to reach for, right? Sweet potatoes aren't just a delightful side dish, they're a mood-boosting, sleep-promoting powerhouse. Now, how's that for a superfood? When it comes to combating harmful free radicals, sweet potatoes are your ultimate warriors. Now, if you're wondering what free radicals are, imagine them as little villains causing chaos in your body. Antioxidants, on the other hand, are the superheroes that step in to save the day. And sweet potatoes? They're like the Avengers of the food world, packed full of these antioxidant superheroes ready to fight off these rogue free radicals. But the powers of this root vegetable don't stop there. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, which may reduce the risk of certain cancers. That's right. These humble tubers could be an ally in the fight against one of the world's most prevalent diseases. Now, that's something to munch on. In addition to their potential cancer-fighting abilities, sweet potatoes are also known for their anti-aging effects. Yes, you heard it right, folks. Eating sweet potatoes could help keep those wrinkles at bay. So the next time you're considering a pricey anti-aging cream, why not reach for a sweet potato instead? But the benefits don't stop at skin deep. Sweet potatoes can also play a role in improving brain health. They're like a workout for your brain but without the sweat, and if you're living with type 2 diabetes, sweet potatoes might be a smart addition to your diet. They can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a tasty and healthy choice. So not only do sweet potatoes taste good, they're also keeping you young and smart. From soups to pies, sweet potatoes can do it all. Now, you may be thinking, how versatile can a root vegetable really be? Well, let me tell you, sweet potatoes are like the Swiss Army knife of the culinary world. Whether you're in the mood for something savory or sweet, these vibrant tubers can be your go-to ingredient. Fancy a creamy soup? Whip up a sweet potato soup that's not just comforting but also packed with nutrients. Or perhaps you're in the mood for a hearty main dish. No worries, sweet potato casseroles or stuffed sweet potatoes have got you covered. But the versatility of sweet potatoes doesn't stop at savory dishes. These gems are equally at home in desserts. Imagine a slice of sweet potato pie or a scoop of sweet potato ice cream. Yes, you heard it right, sweet potato ice cream. What's more, with different varieties like white, purple, and orange, each with its unique taste and texture, the culinary possibilities are endless. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, why not experiment with sweet potatoes and whip up a healthful feast? So there you have it, folks. Sweet potatoes are not just delicious, they're a bundle of health benefits. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. These sweet miracles are packed with vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber, supporting everything from your immune function to your vision and digestive health. They make your skin glow, reduce inflammation, and even help manage your weight. Sweet potatoes are like your personal cardio trainer, regulating blood pressure and keeping your heart in top shape. They also prove that sweet doesn't always mean bad for your blood sugar. With sweet potatoes, you get energy that lasts, better sleep, and a mood booster all in one. Don't forget their antioxidant power, reducing the risk of certain cancers and slowing down the aging process. They're like your brain's best friend, improving cognitive function and blood sugar regulation, especially in type 2 diabetes. And let's not forget about our special guest, the purple sweet potato with its eye health-boosting anthocyanins. In the kitchen, they're the star of the show, bringing versatility and flavor to any dish. All in all, sweet potatoes are a wholesome food that supports overall well-being. Before we go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and food revelations. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep the sweet potatoes coming.